Let's see how to insert a 3D page border in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert your page border, head on over to the Design tab, and you'll find right here on the top right that you have the option to change your page border. Now click on that, and that should open up a new window that will allow you to select or specifically change your page border to your preference. Now click on 3D to select your 3D page border, and from here you can change the color, the width of your page border, or even the art. Now click on OK, and that should automatically be applied to your document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.